Hello my people, una see the bird wey I hold there for hand. The type of poultry bird wey I hold there for hand na cockrel, na im I hold there for hand. Why I wan talk about dis video na say plenty people dem dey talk say you no go fit make money for dis kind of bird or for cockrel bird, say money no dey. If you buy am, na waste of money. You go feed am steadily, e no dey grow. Well, I dey sure dat one na true, but e get how me I take do my own be say I see say money dey dat type of bird. So for today's video, I go show you how you go fit take make money for cockrel bird. For the same today's video, I go show you how I take make 16,000 plus or 16,000 naira for cockrel bird within the range of 4 to 5 weeks. Na wetin I wan discuss for today's video so. So if you dey new to the channel, no forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop important video like this. Share our video. If you get any question, drop the question for the comment section. So make we talk about wetin be cockrel bird. Cockrel na bird wey dem dey raise mainly for meat production. Dis bird, as plenty people talk and as e be, e dey take 6 months before the bird go be mature grown up bird, before you fit kill am chop or before you fit sell am for money. So for dis video, I go show you how I take make 16,000 naira for dis bird within the range of 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. So make I show you how I take do am. First of all, I buy the bird 2 carton. 1 carton na 6,000 I dey buy for my area for Cross River State. I buy 2 carton, that is 12,000 naira. And inside that 2 carton, e dey 51 inside. So na 2 carton I buy, that is 102 birds. Then I buy the feed 2.5 bag. Why I buy the feed 2.5 bag na because 3 weeks dem dey chop 1 bag as dem dey 100. So 3 weeks dem dey chop 1 bag. Another 3 weeks dem still chop 1 bag. But when dem don dey grow, dem dey chop plenty. So I just buy 2.5 bag. That 2.5 bag na 20,000. How we take do am? 1 bag 8,000, another 1 bag 8,000 plus half bag 4,000. If you calculate am together, na 20,000 naira. Then I buy the drugs and the vaccine 2,000 naira. I buy Gomboro vaccine 1, that is 100 dose, 600 naira. Come buy drugs 14. So now make we calculate how much we spend. Then I will come tell you how much I later sell am. The bird 12,000 naira for 2 carton plus feed 20,000, that is 32,000 naira. Then plus drugs and vaccine 2,000, that is 34,000 naira. If you get paper there, take am keep. So now, as they come reach that 5 week, I come start dey sell am 500. Before we go that side, I been get 2 mortalities. 2 of the bird been die as a result of stress when I carry them dey come. So e come remain 100. Then now when e don reach this 5 week now, I come dey sell them 500. Now make you calculate 500 times 100 na how many give you? If you press your calculator, e go give you 50,000 naira. The other expenses wey we count for the bird na 34,000 naira. Now 50,000 minus 34, how much e go give you? The answer na 16,000 naira. So na the way I take make 16,000 naira. The thing shock you, abi? Na simple style be that. And again, if you buy the bird at a cheaper rate more than this one, you go make more profit. And if you do feed when be say you formulate am, e come make you no too buy plenty feed, you go still get more gain. So na so I take make the money when I just talk about. You too, you fit make that kind money. Just try am, follow the step. If you get any question or any suggestion, drop am for the comment section. No forget to follow our official Instagram handle wey be official Vtex. Subscribe to the DIY Farm channel. Thank you. See you for my next video. Bye.